All right, this is wow. Okay, really, as you can see, really tight space. Last time we did this, we were able to do it in a straight back, and which made it nice and easy. This one we can't quite do a straight back, nowhere near a straight back. But we got to try get our trailer running parallel to that space by the time the back of the trailer gets in there. It's looking really good actually. Okay, there we go. Um, it's obviously I can't keep going, but I'm going to keep going. There we go. And I'm going to pull all the way forward and watch what happens to the back of the trailer. It starts to move away. There we go. We're just going to keep going until before we hit that wall. All right, all the way to the left. And we should be running parallel by the time the back of the trailer. There we go. That's good enough. That is good enough. All right. I don't have to really focus on the trailer here. All I have to do is focus on this area right here. All right. There we go. Keeping the as you can see, I'm getting a little too close over there, but I can still get away with it. But if I need to move it over more, I can. All right, so I'll just turn it slightly to the left. Whoops, and then chase, and that created more of a gap. All right, and that's it.